Ever wondered how to keep your German Shepherd looking its best? Well, today we dive into the art and science of grooming this magnificent breed. First things first, German Shepherds are double-coated dogs. This means they have a dense undercoat and a rougher outer coat. This double layer of fur is their armor against the elements, but it also means they shed a lot. Step one in the grooming process is brushing. And not just any brushing, but a thorough top-to-bottom, nose-to-tail brushing. Use a slicker brush to work through the undercoat, removing loose hairs and detangling any knots. Then switch to a bristle brush for the outer coat. This helps to remove any remaining loose fur and gives your German Shepherd that shiny, well-groomed look. Next, we move on to bathing. Now, German Shepherds don't need frequent baths. In fact, bathing them too often can strip their skin of essential oils, leading to dry, itchy skin. So, aim for a bath every 3 to 4 months, or whenever your German Shepherd gets particularly dirty. Use a canine-friendly shampoo and make sure to rinse thoroughly to prevent any residue buildup. Then, it's on to ear cleaning. German Shepherds have erect ears that can collect dirt and debris. Use a gentle, vet-approved ear cleaning solution and a cotton ball to gently clean the inside of the ears. Remember, never stick anything into your dog's ear canal. Now let's talk about teeth. Yes, dogs need dental care too. Brush your German Shepherd's teeth at least once a week with a dog-friendly toothpaste. This helps to prevent plaque buildup and keeps their breath fresh. Finally, don't forget about nail care. Keep your German Shepherd's nails trimmed to a comfortable length. If you can hear their nails clicking on the floor, they're probably too long. Use a canine nail clipper and be careful not to cut into the quick, as this can cause pain and bleeding. To summarize, grooming your German Shepherd involves regular brushing, occasional baths, ear cleaning, dental care, and nail trimming. It may seem like a lot, but it's all part of keeping your German Shepherd healthy and happy. And that's a wrap on grooming German Shepherds. Remember, grooming is more than just keeping your dog looking good. It's about keeping them comfortable and promoting their overall health. So grab that brush, roll up your sleeves, and give your German Shepherd the grooming they deserve. Until next time, stay positive.